Hello. Welcome to the TV room. I had actually started recording and then I had a coughing fit, so I stopped. So, enough of that. I have found other things that came with this machine, or these machines, including a head cleaning disc. Head cleaning diskettes eliminate debris from read-write heads in 30 seconds. This 3M head cleaning diskette kit provides 3 read-write head cleaning operations on a single or dual-headed drives. A routine of repeated head cleaning helps you avoid costly service calls and data loss. Now, it also says, a warning, flammable, irritating noise, contains, anyway, it did come with alcohol. Anyway, what these things did, you put them in, they had a fabric aspect to them. There's the back of it, where I guess you would apply the alcohol. And indeed, they had some use and some function. There are some people, of course, who will swear that you should never use these. I have not used them much. I find that a Q-tip with alcohol is quite sufficient. But for people that don't want to or aren't comfortable opening things up, you know. So here's a disc box. Ooh, okay. And what is in the disc box? Well, discs, of course. Oh, okay. Well, if you have any questions regarding the proper use of your 3M disc, technical service. Well, this is quite a box. Does it sit nice? Does it open nice? No, not really. There are labels that are trying to fall out. But it is formidable, this. This would be a good thing to mail things in. Alright, I'm going to try and take these out without doing any harm. Oh, wait a second. Does this... Ah, look. This thing slides forward. It's a beautiful thing. Factory sealed. Alright, what do we have here? We have what looks like a blank disk, but may not be. Who knows? QBB compiler. 2C data vault diskette. Huh. An envelope. Read write inventory. Formatted bar list. Probably a backup of the bar program that I keep mentioning. An empty envelope. A disk that could be blank. Super Snapshot System Discs. I have never used that, but I've heard of it. Anyway, beautiful. It's good to have a box such as this, because it does protect things, or discs, from dust and other such things. And this is a serious box. Serious. 3M diskettes. One less thing to worry about. 3M. Alright, what else do we have? And actually, there's probably stuff I should put in there here. Bar, machine, order, system, sales, report, inventory, clock menu, single station, machine language, basic clock, yes. Word Pro 3 Plus. Type and write. Scratch pad. Scratch pad from RTC. It's funny, the guy, he said, I have a key for something here. As in, like a dongle thing that goes in the thing, and I wasn't sure what. But it does say, version 2.4, key locked. In other words, that thing that is now sitting in my kitchen that should be up here probably goes to this. Ability, system disk. What is this thing? I have no clue. Here's a disc that's in backwards. It's blank. Ooh, it's been double-sided. Heavens. Abacus. Basic 64. Right read inventory. 2 stations. QBB managers. Quick round. Oh, that's the thing. Quick round box that supposedly made it so that the 64 would fire up on its own. You didn't need a keyboard. What is this here? Commodore info. Oh. It is a thing about products made by Abacus. It is lovely. What do we have here? Oh, we have the manual for RTC Scratchpad. So I will get that brought up here, the dongle thing, and I can test it out. I don't remember it really lighting the world on fire, but you never know. Ability. Oh no. What is all this? Management Inc. Oh, it's an IBM something. Ability version 1.2. System disk. Oh, this is funny. They're all serial numbers, and they're in order, but it doesn't seem that, like, it's not saying disk 5 of 6 and 6 of 6 and da 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 da. It seems that they are the same thing. 1986 licensed material. Let's see. Well, that will be an interesting thing. I suppose I'll have to see if I can find an older computer to get these in. And while I'm there, I thought I saw one of those things here. Ability. I did. So maybe I will put it in here. Although it's out of order, it's still in the same serial number range. I'll have to ask, what are these things? Don't know. Don't know. I have no clue. Now here is what I might do. I might take these fine disks and see if they will all fit in this fine disk box. And they might not. I don't want to squish them tremendously. What I may do, not that this is going to make a tremendous difference, but here, look, it's a diskette hotline. In case you have any questions using your disk. A solid case for savings, $1 rebate. You receive $1 when you send us this coupon, along with proof of purchase for your 3M head cleaning kit, or 10 discs. Oh, this is taking up a bunch of... Oh! Right. Cut or tear. Warning. Okay, now I wonder if this is still good. This is for the head cleaning kit. It's still in there. That is taking up a bunch of space. But everything else seems to be pretty okay. Oh, right to protect stickers. You know what I find those are good for mostly? Is if you've got an EEPROM with an open window and you don't have a cover, they're pretty good. Alright. I think I am going to sneak these discs in here. I think they should all fit. And then I know that they are all here. And they're not tremendously squished. Good. And the labels will fit. And this other stuff will fit. The one thing that I don't think will fit, and I don't know if I want to use anyway, it is kind of snug in here. There we go. Close the box. Lovely. Close the deal. Is this stuff for the head cleaning kit, which I imagine it's supposedly a liquid thing. Fluorocarbon isopropyl alcohol. Well, I think because I have it, and it is an original thing, I don't know if I want to use it, I don't know if I want to cut it, but I will stick it right there. I shall. So we are getting there. I will have to ask what these IBM things are. Someone may be interested, or maybe they'll be good to blank discs. Now, the last thing I found, and this was other stuff that was not included with this, but was in the car I was tidying. And Christmas is coming, and I'm thinking we're going to decorate. So we might as well have a look. Let's see that we have indeed. Da-da-da. Bambi! Lovely. Bambi, Disney, made in Sri Lanka. Right. That's good. Take that downstairs to the dining room, which I think will be coming soon to be the Christmas room. What is this? Christmas Magic. Baloo. It's funny, I do remember when I was in Scouts, and I didn't understand at the time, one of the leaders, they took on names that were things. Anyway, one of them was Baloo, and I did not get it, but there's Baloo. So Baloo can hang on the tree. Lovely. Back carefully in the box with all its little packing. Down to the dining room. What do we have here? Disney. Ooh, it says something about Pinocchio. This is not a child's toy. Okay. So it's mine. And indeed, if I can get it out of here, we have Pinocchio. And there's a little thing, like a scroll, that's supposed to be on here. Maybe I'm supposed to stick it on. Dear Santa, I've been a very good boy this year. When you come on Christmas Eve, would you please bring me a big red wagon? Lovely. I wonder if that is something I'm supposed to stick on, or if it's come off. Anyway. Alright, back in the box. Down to the dining room. And finally, Alice from Alice in Wonderland. President's Edition. And do we actually have... Oh yes. Behold. Caution, this is not a child's toy. Probably means it has lead paint on it. But I don't know that for sure. I'm just speculating. So don't get all crazy on me. Alright. So we'll put that back in here. Wrap it up in its delicate little tissue paper. And we'll take it down to the dining room, where I'm suspecting we'll have the tree and other such things set up. So that is this. Sorry, this stuff did not come with the Commodore stuff, but you know, things happen. So, yeah, I suppose what I'm going to start to do is gather things to bring to the world of Commodore to sell to other people who want to enrich their libraries and things and stuff. If there's anything you're interested in that you've seen here, or even if you haven't, let me know, because I have, you know, I have a few things around. A few things around. And as much as I enjoy having books and magazines and things and stuff, I rarely refer to them. It's just the way it is. Anyway, thanks for coming. I'm going to continue and take these things downstairs and sort through. And, oh, there's another bag, of course, to go through. And I will. So, thank you. Thank you for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you at the World of Commodore, December 1st and November the 30th of 2024. Go to tpug.ca for more information. And remember, also, Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel will be there. He's going to do a talk on Super Pet repairs on the Sunday, I think at 11 a.m. And the Retro Rewind people will be there. They are, I think, what they call a platinum sponsor of the show. And if you're familiar with their stuff, they've got lots of great stuff. Diagnostic stuff, and also I really need to get in touch. I want to get some other capacitor kits to recap machines with. It's so nice to be able to just get a little bag that has everything you need instead of having to go into a store and try and do it yourself. So they're not very expensive, and it sure saves a bunch of time. And time is money, as they say. So we'll see you at the World of Commodore. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.